Heyo mga loves! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening! Oh, who's this baby? Ow!
Ate Kungkung.
It's Ate Kungkung.
I'm hiding.
Hiding. Noon tayo mga loves. Thank you so much Starbucks for our creamy chocolate frap and our green tea frap. Ooh, thank you so much. Okay, so this is actually another haul. It's been a long time since my last haul. So today we decided to make a haul. So again, this is the Tickles haul and other stuff. Okay, of course, let's not forget the rubber. No, it's not rubber, it's plastic duck sounds from Tickles, and it is how much? 150 pesos, and it's with bubbles. Okay, let's open this. What you make me do? Look what you make me do. Look what you make me do. One more for the loves. Look what you make me do.
Bubbles.
Silosa.
That's mine. No, that's mine.
Alright, we also got this ball here, which I don't really know what is this for. Maybe for Jackstone, mga ganyan.
Yay, bubble!
Yep.
Bubbles.
This is yours. So what's next that we got from Tickles? Actually, what's this? Alright, so this is the next one that I got from Tickles. Hello there, Wolfie. Actually, it is.
No, that's a dog.
Yeah, it's a dog, but it's a Siberian Husky thingy.
I want
It's a bag.
I want the love one.
You wanna love it? Okay. Alright, so this one is actually very affordable. What? 695 pesos? Because originally I thought this is a sling bag, kaya I bought this. But then, look, this is a shoulder bag. Oh my gosh. So what I will do, maybe I will just have it changed. The only reason as to why I bought this one is because it has a bigger space inside and it's bigger than my usual shoulder bag. Sorry, we have a lot of noise in the background. And it's very cute. It's a so it's a Siberian Husky with different eye colors. Look at them. Boom. There you go. So, but I will love this. I will rock that. So, yeah. Next, you already saw this one earlier. This is the very cutie owl pen.
Wiggly eyes.
It's how much is this owl pen?
Wiggly eyes.
Oh, this is 70 pesos. Owl pen. Yeah, it's wiggly eyes. Next is, alright, so we have the robot pen, which is actually 60 pesos. The robot pen. And it's, I don't know, shorter. It's shorter than the owl pen. And it's so cute. That's why I bought it.
They look the same.
You just need to do this like that.
Oh, you
Okay. This is Nanai's hat. It's not Kungkung's.
But this
So we'll
happens
just need
to
to-
shoulder.
Oh yeah, this is the pen tip. Okay, so let me try. Yes, it works.
Works?
After all, it's not a waste.
Ha, robot. Next
is-
Sharpie.
Oh, wait.
Money.
I have money, you guys.
That's money.
This is for 100 pesos. This
That's
is
a one
actually
$1.90.
dollar notepad. This is a notepad, and since I am dreaming of being a rich person,
Money.
yes, it's not a play money. It's a notepad wherein I will need to
Wow.
take this one. Wow! Oh my gosh, mga loves, it's very nice because inside it has like a faded dollar,
Book.
faded dollar design.
That's a book money.
Ooh, I'm
That's
so.
a book money.
Yeah, I'm so. I'm so rich with paper money. So we've got Sharky right here.
There's no berries.
So shark biting her. Different feeling, different games. This is for 595 pesos. We bought this from Tickles as well. And usually, remember, diba sa ibang mga games, it's a crocodile thing. But
No, that's shark.
for us, it's a shark. But we're gonna do a different,
Let's open it.
hold on, Tay. We're gonna do a different video for this so that we'll show you how this works. Okay? Okay, so aside from Tickles, we also went to SM. And I bought some ballerina shoes, which actually is buy one take one siya, mga loves. So here are the shoes that I've got. It really looks good on my feet. So since it's buy one take one, so I got this color, diba? And this one right here is the ballerina theme, but it's garterized. It's not the usual na yung tinatali-tali mo. And then the other color that I got is, whoa, because it matches my lips sometimes, or my cheek tint. Charot. See? So I've got them too. Alright, so this is only for 499 pesos and 75 cents. So mga roughly 500 pesos, but it's worth it. 2 items. We bought something from the candy store, and
Yummy!
this is like ito daw yung sa candy corner, ito daw yung very saleable nila. It's a candy, but it's a chocolate, pero parang siya mga gems or rocks na different colors. So we're gonna taste them and let's see. And of course, di ba naalala niyo yung mga candy ng Harry Potter? I also bought one of each. So we've got the chocolate frog, and the Bertie box beans. That one. I don't know if this tastes good. And also the jelly slugs. So we're gonna have a separate video para i-taste test natin itong mga candies na ito. So excited! Pumili din ako ng Sally Hansen na airbrush legs. Yan. So in medium glow. So ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga supermodel. Kami na yun, diba? Para maging mukhang shiny and glowy and bronze ang kanilang mga legs. But hindi ko inano yung bronze, yung medium glow lang sa akin. Kasi naman hindi naman ako masyadong makayumanggi. So this is for 895 pesos. Ito ay Sally Hansen airbrush legs. And bumili din ako ng cotton buds. O diba? Nasaan siya sa haul. And bumili din kami sa Watsons ng ito, Calmo Septi. Ayan. Calmo Septi. Effective ito sa mga itchy-itchy, sa mga bumps, sa mga pimples. Ayun mga loves. So, those are the things that we hauled today. And we will be back again for more videos in the future. So, mga loves, for all the people na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, please do subscribe to our channel and please like this video pretty please. And also you can comment below as to what you want us to haul or what you want us to try. Yung mga ganun mga eklabu, mga ganun. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Hanggang muli. I love you all.